Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Vancity credit card in just a couple of steps. So watch the video until the very end and get started. The first thing to do is to open a web browser. In the URL box, type in vancity.com and search. The Vancity's website does not mention canceling a credit card online. So in order to cancel your credit card, you will need to call to the customer service hotline. From the main homepage of Vancity, scroll all the way down and look for the Contact Us button at the bottom of the screen and click on it. Before proceeding with this step, make sure that you have settled any outstanding balance on your Vancity credit card. They likely won't close the account until it's paid in full. You must review any annual fees or other charges associated with your card. You might need to pay any outstanding fees before closure. So once you've made sure of that, scroll down from the Contact Us tab and then you will be provided with a list of phone numbers that you can call on and then proceed with your credit card cancellation. Go to the Credit Cards tab and look for the toll-free number. Choose the number based on your region and then speak to a customer service representative via phone call. Inform them that you want to cancel your Vancity credit card and they will guide you through the process. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.